Today is a DIY and I'll be doing a hair tutorial. So the hair that I'll be using is the X-pression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist, and this is in the 16-inch 1B. This is perfect for a protective hairstyle, and I'll be going on vacation soon, so I thought, why not? How I found out about this hair is a local YouTuber as well. Her name is Liming with Latoya. She did a tutorial on this and I was like, no man, may I forget that hair, yeah. So I went to the beauty hair store, my local beauty store, and I got it. I also saw it on Amazon as well, but I mean it was here in Jamaica already, so I just purchased it here. So yeah, so let's get into the video. Say hi. Say hi. You're not saying hi? Alright, so my hair is already parted down in the middle. If you see me looking down, the mirror is right here. So it's already parted down in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and section it off in 4 parts. So y'all, as you can see, I decided to do half of my hair off camera. Yeah, so it's really looking good. I love the curls and I really love the natural look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and we're gonna start on the next section. So y'all, to start off my hair, I'm gonna moisturize it, and I'll be using the Soft and Free Curl Activator Lotion, and I'll also be using the hair gel wax for my natural hair. So guys, to install this hair, you will take one strand of the hair, you will apply it over your natural hair, and I will be braiding from the roots and then twisting down. Once you have finished braiding down, you will separate your natural hair into 2, and then you will twist down. So guys, I will now show you how I separated the hair and also how much hair I used per twist. So this is one full strand of hair that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate it in half, and then for each half I will take a piece and which will now turn it into 3 pieces. So I basically got 3 pieces out of one full strand of hair. So now I really did not do this part for all of my head, since I wasn't doing my twist very small. I wanted my hair to look very full and fluffy, so I randomly separated the hair in 3 pieces for some parts of my hair, and I also used just half. I only just created just half, cut the hair in half, and then I used it for some of the twists. So yeah, so that's really the trick of how I use one full pack of hair without cutting the hair at all. Alright guys, so I'm at the top, I'm almost finished, and I wanted to point out to you guys that I tried twisting the hair with Eco Style gel and also without, and basically there wasn't much of a difference. So that was good. So you basically don't need any product twisting your hair. The hair is already natural, it's naturally fluffy, and it comes with a twist, the curls. So you know, in order to save products, you guys don't need to use any product at all on the hair. And by the way guys, yes, I'm using a clothespin to hold my hair. I don't know where my clips is. I have no idea. So please don't judge me, okay? No judgment. Alright guys, so I'm all finished and I'm really in love with this hair. This hair is bomb. So once you're finished, you just grab your scissors and cut off the excess hair at the ends and you're good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, just click that subscribe button. Okay guys, and I'll see you guys. Oh, before I leave, I want to apologize again for the background noise. I could not help it. My niece was running up and down in the house, and yeah. But thank you guys again, and peace out. Bye.